So this is the chart right before I go to sleep. So I see what happens in the morning.
And as you can see, guys, this is an update from last night's trade. Full TP for a nice 1 to 2.93. As you can see on my account, got this trade here, TP at midnight, and as you can see, this is when the take profit hit at midnight, 9 minutes past midnight, which was right there. So a nice little overnight trade. We had the breakout of this trend line, got breakout, fake out, breakout, retest, and we're off to the races. Now the TP was set perfectly. If it was set just a bit higher, then probably wouldn't have hit TP and would have got stopped out right away. The reason for that TP line is because of these highs, or this high I should say. Got touched to perfection. So yeah, good start to my Sunday and a good end to the week. So yeah, man. Hopefully next week is a good week. No over trading, no over risking, no taking impulse trades, no taking shit setups. So yeah.